Jake and Joyce.
I like being outside.
It's so fun being outside. We shot all those episodes over at Chapala Gardens, which was really great. But we're going to finish up a couple things. You know, we said in the beginning of our intro that we're trying a bunch of things that we haven't done in years past because it's been difficult. But we're also trying a lot of new things that we've never done before.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to give you the ingredients ahead of time so you can play along with us. So you're going to need Wicked Kitchen brand mushroom shreds. You can decide which flavor that you want. We use the mushroom shawarma style. You're going to need gluten-free pita. Now, we like the B-free, so the letter B, free pita pockets. They're gluten-free and vegan. You'll need onion, carrots, tomato, lettuce, red cabbage, and cucumber. And, of course, you could add avocado. You could add whatever else you want to it that you like on sandwiches. And then you also will want a chili sauce like a sriracha.
Jake really likes to have things that are really fast. She's made her salad that she makes pretty fast, but I discovered these when I was shopping for all the stuff that we needed. It's made by Wicked Foods, and it's made out of mushrooms. So, you know, the whole G-bombs thing, we're getting the mushrooms right here. I have no idea how these taste.
G-bombza.
G-bombza. So these are this is a shawarma style shred, and it's made from shredded king oyster mushrooms with a smoky spice and a hint of coriander. Yum. So we're going to try it out. It suggests that you make it with these pitas. You want to tell people about the pitas?
I don't know anything except that they're gluten-free.
They're gluten-free, and they're made by Be-Free, which I like that company a lot. Yeah. They're very expensive, so I buy them when they're on sale, usually.
And they're these two shapes. They're these little rounds, and these are the longer shapes, so it depends on what you want. So we took one of these longer ones, and we cut it in half, and then threw it in the toaster.
And let's taste this before we...
Yeah, are we supposed to heat that up?
I'm not. It doesn't say to. Does it?
Yes, it does.
It does?
Yep.
What does it say?
350 for 15 minutes. Bake contents on a sheet pan in middle of... That's a different one.
Damn it.
Bake in the middle of a preheated oven, turning halfway through. But let's try it cold, though. You can microwave it for a minute.
Oh, maybe we should just do that.
Yeah.
Does it have to be hot? I mean, it's cooked already.
Let me taste it.
It's really good. I mean, I don't know why it has to be heated up.
Check that out. Mushroom strips.
I don't know why it has to be heated up. Just probably from a preference.
Okay, let's not do it.
Do you want to heat it up
No.
or not? Okay, all right.
Tastes
So
really
we're gonna put these in the heated up pitas. I'm super excited about this.
After kick to it. Ooh,
you like it?
My throat. Yeah, it's good.
Like spicy or what?
Yeah, spicy in the back of my
Should we put
throat.
that in first?
I think so.
And then add...
So it's kind of like a gyoza. This is like what they were doing.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, so you put this pita thing with the meat, and then you put all the veggies in, and it's like, you know, gyoza you get in... Not gyoza. Not
Shawarma.
gyoza. No,
Shawarma.
what's it called?
Falafel?
Not gyoza is pot
Falafel
stickers.
like that? Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we put some chili
It's
sauce.
like a hero, like a hero.
Okay, so
Hero
we're
sandwich.
putting a little bit of sriracha.
Okay.
And then a little bit of carrot. Mm-hmm. And a little bit of onion. Why don't you make your own?
Oh, okay. I was just watching you.
I'm mesmerized.
Yeah.
I'm mesmerized by what you do. And then it's cauliflower red cabbage. So we're actually getting like all this
Onion, so the onion from G-bombs.
the mushrooms, the what else?
No.
We're
gonna
lettuce.
put lettuce.
We're gonna put lettuce in
Some
it.
greens.
Yeah, this is off the Tower Garden. Brought it home. So we're getting the greens. I think I would do little strips of this.
Yeah, it's good because otherwise it's gonna overflow.
It'll go all over the place. But
Cucumber
what
and
you
tomato.
could do is you could line it. I like lining things with lettuce.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You could line the inside of the pita with the lettuce leaf. You're putting the chili sauce on after?
I forgot, so I'm throwing it in there.
Okay, and then tomato.
We're
We're getting some lycopenes.
I think it's too full. Mine is. I put too much mushroom in because I
did you?
really wanted extra.
I see. I wanted all the other stuff. And then, did we get the onion yet? No.
No, and we need a cucumber also.
Yeah. Thinly sliced. How come we only have one knife?
That was you thing.
What do you think this is? A
Knife-friendly zone.
knife-friendly zone. Okay, I'm going to do thinly sliced cucumbers, and then I'm going to cut those in little pieces too. This is awesome. I hope we like how it tastes.
I know. I would. What an easy thing. You don't have to heat it up.
Right. You don't have to heat it up. I mean, why do you have to heat it up?
Well, you don't have to.
Here's
It's your show. You can do whatever you want.
Well, it's your food. Like, if you don't want to heat it up, you don't have to heat it up, right?
Okay.
Is this onion? Okay, let's just bite into one of them so we can show one of them. Mine is way better. Now you could put avocado in this too.
Yeah. Okay. If yours is better, I'm gonna eat mine.
How is it?
I think we need to arrange it better.
What do you mean?
So I
Why?
just gotta buy all the veggies and not the mushrooms. So you need to layer it better.
Well, I think it's beautiful. And that's part of it, presentation is a whole thing. Let me have a bite of yours.
I think if it was warm, it would be really good. It'd be better, I think.
I think it's awesome.
I know, but warm would give it that extra.
Uh-huh.
Did you want to talk about this?
Oh, yeah. That's my mouthful.
Yeah, that's what we do.
I love little containers like this. I have ones for lemons, ones for avocados, and ones for onions. Because you know how you always get stuff, you put it away, and then you never know what's in it, number one. Number two, there's a special thing so that it keeps it from getting on the bottom. And because when the onions sit on the bottom, it starts to sweat.
Right.
That's really got a kick.
I know, it's too much sriracha.
Too much sriracha? You did that. I didn't do that to mine.
What are you drinking, Jake?
Nothing.
Water?
Don't put too much sriracha in it. I need a drink of water too.
Yeah.
Yum. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Wicked Kitchen.
This is a different one.
So this is a different one. This one is a Korean style. And what it suggests, in each package, there's a bunch of different ones. I only bought 2. I got them on sale once again. There's a great, I don't know if this chain is everywhere, but it's Sprouts.
We have that.
And what I love about it is that it has a way wider variety of things than Whole Foods.
Yeah,
Whole Foods is kind of like driving down to where it only has Whole Foods brand and one other. And Sprouts had all these different brands of stuff. I kind of got lost, and it was like being in
I love Sprouts.
Disneyland. But anyway, they had several different kinds of these, and they're fantastic. And Derek.
What? Are
He
you cheating on me with another camera guy?
Derek, it's kind of like what you were talking about when you did the thing for when they made like seaweed and stuff they were making worms and they're making food out of different things. Didn't you tell me about that?
Whoa, what?
What are you talking about?
Weren't you at a conference that were making food out of...
Oh, like using cricket protein to make... Yeah.
This is not crickets, but it is making mushrooms that taste kind of like...
Other things.
No, like beef.
Yeah.
That's what they're trying to do. And so it's actually good for you, and it's not killing cows, and it's not using, 10 million gallons of water.
Right.
I think it's awesome.
These also say the temperature, like the spice temperature. So that's kind of nice. This one's mild. That one's medium. So if you're like sensitive, you can. That's kind of nice. You can.
So that one's mild. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that I'm a wimp for spice, but I'm totally a wimp for spice.
Yeah,
so I'm going to go with the mild.
And then this gives you some suggestions on the back. It says grabbing veg by the bulbs.
Whoa.
It's made by Derek.
Yeah, a guy named Derek.
Derek and Chad.
Anyway, so these are cool. See if you can find them.
These are very cool. I like it. And also, we really like the beef-free stuff. Great. I didn't know. I was really desperate to find some pita bread because we were supposed to make baba ganoush this season, and you're chickening out.
We both are.
Yeah. But pita is awesome to put, but I never have it because it's always got gluten in it. So this is awesome. So beef-free breads and Wicked Kitchen mushroom shreds, and you've got a really easy peasy lunch. I love it. I think it's good. And you think about it, how much you would spend to go buy this for lunch.
And you go have it out somewhere.
Yeah, if you could even find it anywhere, right? So it's great. So I think it's awesome. Try it at home. Tell us what you think. We'd love to know. We'll see you next time.